Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss new chapter, that is introduction of algebra. So what is algebra? So in the previous classes we discussed the how many times a number occurs, like 4, 4, 4, 4. So we write here uh, 4 occurs 4 times. Okay, and we also represent some patterns. But now today we are going to discuss the algebra. So what is algebra? So algebra is a branch of mathematics in which we study how to represent numbers and quantities using alphabets, and these alphabets is also known as variables. So if we are talking about the basic concepts of the algebra, there are four basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And sometimes we also use the symbols equal to or not equal to, equal to or not equal to, and so on. Okay, and this symbol similarly means so on. Okay, so these are the basics of the introduction of the algebra. So next is, what are the variables? Variables are those quantities which have changed their values. Like if we write a alphabets with a number, we know that one has only one value, two has two value, three has three value. So these numericals are known as constants. Those quantities which or their value is not changed, that are known as constant, but the quantities which have variable values are known as variables, or these variables are shown by the alphabets. Is that clear? So now taking an example, like we have a four square tiles, figure 1, 2, 3, 4. These are square tiles. So from the above we observe that the number of tiles required in figure 1 is 4, and for successive pattern is a greater number of tiles are required. So in means number figure 1 we have 4 tiles, figure 2 5 tiles, figure 3 6 tiles, figure 4 7 tiles, and figure 5 8 tiles. It means if we are talking about 1, it has 4 tiles. It means the difference between 4 and 1 has 3. Means number of tiles in a figure is equal to 3 plus number of figure. अगर हम 3 में नंबर ऑफ फिगर प्लस कर दे तो हमारी नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स आ जाएंगी 3 + 1 4. सिमिलरली 3 + 2 5. So figure second have 5 tiles. So figure 3 has 6 tiles, means 3 plus 3. It means we can represent a journal in 3 plus x, where x is variable, x represent the number of figure. So this is the form of the algebra or a algebraic expression. When we place alphabets along with the number, that number represents the algebraic expression. And if we are talking about only numbers, just 9 19 plus 10, these are the arithmetic expressions. But if I am talking about 9 plus x, yeah, 19 minus y, these are the algebraic expressions. So this is a basic difference between the arithmetic and the algebraic expressions. When the variable is attached with the numerical value, the whole expressions change into algebraic expression. Is that clear? So this is enough for today. So in the next class we discuss the quantities like variable, constant, and use of algebra in number patterns also. So thank you students.